So we are at the beginning of the sunset, and it is, what's the date here, brother? What's our date?
25th.
25th. So we got the 25th of July, and we're watching the sun go down on Newport Beach Pier. We got a large crowd here and a large gathering. Everybody always does this. They fish every night. They don't net fish anymore. They just fish for whatever they can get. Sometimes it's shark. Sometimes it's a ray. They're lucky. They love the taste of ray. And that's what it is. And all the fish are good. Right. They're all good eats. So we're on here. We're watching the sunset go down. Here's the sun going down, descending. Take a look, people. There's nothing better than watching the sun go down. Because every day is valuable to you as it is to us. And we can only say that this is what it is. This is what it is to watch the sunset. Watching the sunset go down is part of our lives. And we also live by the sun, we die by the sun. That's part of God, part of us, part of all human beings on earth. Watching the sun go down. As a fisherman's perspective, he always believes in God, he always knows God. He sees the sun. Sees the sun as I see the sun, because I am part of God, as all men are part of God. Jesus Christ will be proud and so there's your sunset. There's the fishing company, the fishermen, the rest of the pier. Just mapping shit. The way